So now I am back at an install that I did over a month ago. He said that the looks like the suction line, in my opinion, but the refrigerant line that's in the basement above the drop ceiling is leaving a stain on the ceiling tile, and I can tell you that's most certainly caused because of the fact that I made a connection there. So I obviously did not seal it up.
No, it's very comfortable.
Very comfortable. Good, good, good. Perfect.
In the black, right,
It's a full-time job.
Right there.
Yeah, right in here.
It's that one
You
right
stick
there.
your finger in there.
Oh, I can see. Oh, I can see it.
And the tile is damaged.
Gabriel, you slacker. All right.
They say dehumidifier is working, but still seems humid down here. You gotta clean the filter on it, I assume. Huh. Oh, okay. Interesting. Oh, I'm sure it is. But I knew what I was doing.
I was able to fix the insulation on that suction line up above the ceiling tile. It wasn't sealed enough. I thought I did it enough. I didn't realize how moist their basement was. And that like I said, I thought I sealed it well enough, but now I know. Definitely add extra tape, extra zip ties, and extra tape insulation for next time. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.